Well, I haven't been posting videos for a while. A couple things going on. My wife wanted me to turn one of the kids' room into a Zen den, which entailed drywall work, painting. And long story short, that was 6 weeks plus. I'm out here at the river right now. We had a tornado come through last summer and dropped a few trees in the river. And I've been out here pulling trees out of the river, cutting them up for firewood next year. So I'm just going to get a little short video here. Had to change the license plate lights. We live in cold weather state, so the socket was completely corroded apart, and I just decided to replace the whole unit itself. Oh yeah, and I was sick for about 4 weeks, 3 weeks, and trigger thumb. I've had a whole bunch of shit going on. So hopefully I'll be starting on the Nash engine here real soon. For now, gotta go change the oil in my wife's car. Today's project. License plate lights. A lot of the 2011 Fords have these. They got some screws you can take off, but don't waste your time, because if you live in a northern cold weather area, the salt's already destroyed the socket in there. So what you're going to want to do is get a small screwdriver, take the license plate off first, work it into the edge, and there's a tab in there. Go ahead and hit both sides. I'm not working in the garage today because I'm too lazy to put it on the hoist. You get 2 screwdrivers. There's one tab. Okay, then you slide it down. Get in here for this other tab. I'm not too worried about that car. Okay, now. Oh shit, where did everybody go? So much for that. Maybe I should have done it inside in the garage. This is a fucked up video. Okay. Now I can pull it out. Now the ones that I bought, I got on Amazon for like 16 bucks, and they're LEDs. So the police aren't going to have no reason to say they couldn't see your numbers. There we go. That's popped in there. And then kind of rock it in. You might have to get a screwdriver on that. Oh yeah, be sure you're centered. There you go. That easy. Just go buy the LED ones. Do something. It's a very short video. I mopped in here today. Oh, had a buddy bring this over. I just got some LED strips and put them around the inside. That was nice of them. It was 70 degrees here yesterday, and it's 22 out right now. Feel like, there we go. I'll go for some Castle Danger. That's always good.